look cute. I've gotten so many compliments on my outfit today just running around the studio because of these cute little boots. But guess what? They feel like sneakers. Like they're so comfy. Like I would walk the dog in this. So they're great for garden. That's why we have them in the show. But even if you don't garden, have you ever walked outside in the rain? Have you ever had to go up to your mailbox maybe, or the dogs had to go out? Have you ever gone to see the grandkids play soccer and there's dew all over the ground? Whatever you are doing, this is the better boot for it. We have them available in 2 colors and they're really pretty. This is the seafoam, that's what I have on, and it's just a really lovely light green aqua color. And then we have them available in the fern, which is a lovely, more vibrant green. Mark Kingsley Poole is here with us. He has owned footwear companies and he brings us Heartland Footwear. So good to see you.
Hi, Sandra. Hi.
Thank you so much for coming.
Nice to meet you.
So
You're
you
very
are
welcome.
a true footwear expert, down to truly the science of footwear.
Yes, well, we've redesigned these completely, and we've upgraded the home and garden boot because, you know, weather patterns are changing.
Yeah.
And so we wanted a boot that was supple, that would stay soft in any temperature, whether you're in Alaska or whether you're in Florida, it didn't matter, cold or warm. It would always stay the same.
So, you know, I've worn garden shoes forever, I guess, gardening. I've never really worn big garden boots because they've been so cumbersome, right?
Yeah.
But I love the idea of having, even when I'm out pruning, having this extra protection, even in the heat of summer. I don't want like ticks to get on my ankles or whatever. Like I like having this protection.
That's right, that's right. And not only that, if you look at the boot itself, it's wider here, so it's extremely stable. The outsole, this is a tractor sole, so it doesn't slip.
So I could walk in these in snow, but I could also just wear them outside because it's a little wet on the ground and I need to run an errand or something.
Absolutely. Camping, gardening.
A little walk in the woods.
Oh, a little walk in the woods.
Most garden shoes I would never say, take them on a walk in the woods, because frankly, they would just be uncomfortable. These feel like sneakers. And here's something cool. Do you see that cute little, like that little rib back there? If I want to take them off, I can just easily take them right off like that, see? You've thought of everything.
Well, you made a good point. I mean, they don't look like a normal rain boot because they're built completely differently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is in the inside that gives me a little bit of warmth, but my feet don't sweat like they are when like something like neoprene in the summer?
That's right. So this is a proprietary elastomer that we've developed. And so, you know, this is 90% of it. The material is so far beyond everything else that it insulates. So when you have good insulation, it doesn't get hot in the summer and it doesn't get cold in the winter.
These are so good. I didn't expect, honestly, to love these as much as I did. I just thought they looked cute. And then I put them on. I was walking around my house. I sent him a picture, actually, of me sitting in my living room still wearing them because I actually didn't want to take them off. They were so comfortable. I do want to talk to you about sizing, though. They are whole sizes, and I would say a half size should size down,
correct,
not up. So, for instance, I'm an 8.5. I'm wearing an 8 right now, and I feel very comfortable. So, the other thing I noticed is that, oh, I've got my Tommy Copper sock on. The other thing I noticed, they're not rubbing. Some boots I've tried, even boots that were $150, frankly, rain boots, they rub and they hurt my skin.
That's right. So the way they're designed is you can go down and up and down again.
What you're going to want to do for gardening. Oh, actually, let me pull my pants up so I can show you.
You know those boots?
Watch what happens when I go down. Do you see how it's moving with me?
That's right.
It's not hurting me at all.
That's right. They're purpose-built. This is the real deal. Everything was thought of. It took a long time to work out everything, and we've got patents coming up on the mold making. It's and
they're also really cute.
They are cute.
Okay, so I put these on, and I went into the green room just to say hi to my guests. And Devin from Roberta's was in there, and Katie was in there, and they were like, "I like those. Your boots are cute." In fact, Katie, you were there. Devin was immediately saying, "Cool boots."
Oh my God. Yeah, he stopped you mid-conversation and was like, "Whoa, cool boots!"
Yeah, and I was like, I did a little mini presentation in the green room, and he's like, do they have them in men's? Like, we don't have them in men's right now on QVC, but here's what I will tell you. For women, grab them while you can. They are so cute. Because they feel like the most comfy, yummy sneakers, if I go watch my daughter play lacrosse on a Saturday, say, in the morning, I will wear these with jeans to the lacrosse field because it's always dewy and damp in the morning. And they're always like, you're at field 6. Do you know what I mean? And I'm like, oh my gosh, we're like walking. You know, so wear them everywhere. They're cute.
Well, I've got 4 kids, so I know exactly what you're talking about.
Right, like you always get wet sneakers. Yeah.
And when we tested them with people that do community gardens. And after weeks and weeks of testing in the community gardens, we said, these are right on.
They're comfortable, they're cute, and whether you live in Alaska or southern Florida, they are going to be your favorite outside boot for everything you do outside. Of course, gardening, but also just walking outside, taking a walk in the woods, camping, running errands. I'm not kidding you when I say you can go to the grocery store in these and not feel like you're wearing some awkward boot because they wear like sneakers and they're really cute. So here they are in our seafoam. That is the most popular right now. We also have them in the fern. You really did put these to the test.
Oh, we certainly did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was a lot of work, and we've made something that's really outstanding. People will not be disappointed with this product. It will last a long, long time.
Buy good once. Joan Rivers used to even tell us that here when she comes to QVC. Buy good
Absolutely.
once,
Buy good
and you
once.
don't have to cry. You don't have to. She said, "Weep once." That's what she was like. You buy
yes.
them once, you don't have to buy them again.
That's
they
right.
will really last, and I'm going to tell you, you will not be disappointed in these. They are awesome. Mark, welcome to QVC. I think we really needed these.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I am thrilled to have these. Yeah, I had those on in my house, and my husband's like, "Those are cool boots. What are they?" And then you said to me, "Those are what you said. You said cool boots."